Okay, so raise your hand if you've ever pulled a shirt out of your suitcase looking like it lost a fight with a laundry basket. That's the exact problem this thing is trying to solve. Now, this is the SHAWALEEN travel steamer and mini iron combo, and they did send this to me to test out, so stay until the end to see how this worked on my very, very wrinkled linen pants. And honestly, the first thing that got me is just how small this is. I'm not exaggerating. This thing fits inside the front pocket of a book bag. So if you're someone who's tight on packing space, this isn't going to kind of like overtake your suitcase at all. But it also comes with its own travel bag to keep everything together, which was a very nice touch. And so let's talk about how the water situation works with this, because that's usually where these travel steamers really get annoying. It's actually really simple. You kind of just twist the handle so the head is laying flat, and then there's this little rubber plug on top. You pull it up, it comes with its own little water cup, so you just pour the water in, snap that plug right back into place, and that's it. You are ready to go. I noticed the handle actually rotates, which seems like a very small thing, but it actually matters more than you'd think. It really does, because you can steam standing up vertically, or you can flip it horizontally, which covers a little more ground, just depending on what you're working on. So whatever angle you need, you've got it with this one. Now here's the part I think a lot of people actually care about when it comes to steamers. Does it actually heat up fast? And this is one of those that actually does, because when you plug it in, it doesn't even ask you anything. It just starts counting down from like 8, 9, and then you'll see it go to 7, 6, all the way down to 0. And we're talking about 15 seconds and it's ready to go. Now from there, you have 4 settings you just cycle through with one button. You've got dry iron, silk, cotton, and linen, a woolen fabric. So depending on what fabric you're working with, you just tap through with the one button. So all right, let's see the real test though. So just look at these linen pants. This leg has wrinkles running from top to bottom. Just such a mess. Since linen needs more coverage, I did rotate the head horizontally, switched it to the cotton and linen setting, and then just with 2 clicks, and that was it. I was gliding down the pants, steaming them, and look, the wrinkles just disappear as I go. This went from fully wrinkled to completely straight in just a matter of a few seconds. But honestly, the part that surprised me the most was this ironing glove. So if you're in a hotel room and there's no flat surface or table to kind of lay your clothes on, you can just put this on your hand and slide your hand behind the fabric when it's like hanging on a hanger or something, and you can steam right over your hand as the backdrop. It sounds simple, but it's really genius for travel. It's also perfect for tight spots like collars, necklines, or sleeves where you really can't lay something flat or it's hard to get in those small spaces. And one more thing worth mentioning before you grab one of these, it is built for 110 to 120 volts, so it's one of those that's meant to be used kind of in the US, Canada, Mexico, those areas. So just something to keep in mind if you are traveling internationally. And as far as leaking water spots go, we don't want water spots on our clothes. I genuinely didn't run into any with this. It stayed clean through every fabric I tested it on. So if you're looking for a portable steamer, this one is worth checking out. I hope that helps.